What is up, Kick Fam? Alex here, and today I got something a little different for y'all. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of something that I just received. This is, if you can already tell by the thumbnail and by the title, this is the Air Max 90 in the OG colorway. I believe these are the Vault color. They're like white, gray, and Vault. You'll see when I open the box. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Now, I did purchase these from Finish Line. I missed out on the Chunky Dunkies. I took a L like the majority of us did. I knew that those would be a limited release, so you know, it is what it is. That's something that I've come to learn when it comes to sneaker buying. You're not gonna be able to cop everything unless you just got a crazy amount of money and you're willing to pay crazy amounts of money. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. All right, these were ordered from Finish Line. If you can see that there, right there says Air Max 90. Go ahead and put that down to the side. Now, they are in a regular Nike box. Watching some reviews, I did see that they were in like a yellowish box. Kind of glad they came in this box because the box that I watched the other videos on were a lot smaller. So I am not mad that they came in just a regular orange Nike box. So let's go ahead and open these up. And wow, there it is. Such a dope shoe. Got that classic hang tag on them, and that green, that Vault color is just crazy bright. I love it. There's the other shoe. And it also came with anatomical arch supports. That's what that says, that you can insert in the shoe, which that's pretty cool. I think it just has like a peel on kind of thing that you can just stick. And yeah, that's really about it. That's both of the shoes. And if you guys would like to see an actual on foot video of these, quick review and on foot, definitely leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button, and I will be more than happy to make a quick review and on foot of these Air Max 90. Let me check the box really quick to see what it says in terms of the colorway. So these are Air Max 90 in a white particle gray color. And yeah, super dope. I had the option between these and they have like the pink and the turquoise and I think like a royal blue, but this one is just like the most eye-catching in my opinion. These are the ones that stand out, and I don't have anything this color, so definitely wanted to cop and take advantage of that. But yeah, that's really gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I appreciate you guys for taking a look, and I'll see you guys in the next video.